Hi, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Breville Barista Touch here. So the grinder on this machine has been stalling. It doesn't grind the coffee, but the gears still turn. And I want to show how this is a problem with the coffee grounds rather than, with the coffee roast rather than the machine itself. So I have two different coffees here. This is what the customer was using in the machine. It's a lighter roast and flavored. It could possibly be a little bit of an older coffee too, because the beans do become a little harder to grind when once they're left for a while. I always recommend just using a coffee for 1 month, up to 1 month past its roast date. So then we have just a coffee here, which this one is a little bit old, but it's not flavored. The roast is slightly darker, and I just want to show the difference. So I'm going to grind a little bit of this. So this is just going to be at, let's put it at 8. This should be pretty fine enough for espresso. So you can hear the grinder didn't stall at all, and this is pretty fine. Okay, and then we can try it with these flavored beans. Okay, so you see we have to increase it. You have to increase the grind size to get it to go through the grinder. There you go. So yeah, for this machine you have to be careful about which coffee you choose to put in the grinder. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.